5 things to consider to choose the perfect cable management solutions for your business. Hello, how can we help you? Hi, I am looking for the best cable management solution for my industry. Can you guide me? Sure, depending on your requirement, here are the things you need to consider. Firstly, the quality of your material grade is important. Secondly, getting the right finishes, which ensures industry standard, is really critical. Thirdly, your product design should offer ergonomic advantages in terms of better load-bearing capacity. Fourth, the design flexibility is crucial to choose the best cable management systems. Fifth, all cable management solutions should have EU Declaration of Conformity certificate. Using these parameters, you can select the best cable management solution for your industry.
Thank you, this was very helpful.